Hi guys, welcome back to Lifetime Software Up, and in today's video we'll be talking about how you can use WhatsJet to run your WhatsApp marketing campaign. Now this software, how does it work? I'm going to show you a demo walkthrough of what you'll be benefiting, features that it has, and what you can do with this software. If you're a marketer, if you want to run for a business, you want to reach out to your clients or customers to WhatsApp, this is the best software for you. So like I said, it's basically for WhatsApp, and you can also set it as a SaaS whereby people can use the service and they pay you. So what do they have? So it has option for embedded sign up, it has template option, you can send to multiple numbers, it has option for chats, it has option for bot reply. People can you can your Once people message you on certain things, there's a bot that can auto reply them even though when you're not available. So it has so many options. You can add so many members, your team members, to manage your website for you. Now I'm going to show you the inside, the dashboard, how it looks like. And this is the front end. So let's look at the dashboard and what it entails. So now, like I said, you can turn it to a SaaS in the sense that you can have people to use the service and they pay you, or you can do it for a business and obviously set up a company details and you start using it. So now you can see now this is their super admin dashboard that controls every vendor under you in case you want to set that as SaaS. So you can set subscription, you can set pages, you can configure, do so many things here. You can say so it's easy. This is where you configure it: general, vendor, currency payment system, email login, and also it has an add-on whereby you can add other features like a plugin. Now let's log into the vendor side so you can see how the overview looks like. um 1 second, let's log in now. So now, yes, so this is the login section where you run the campaign, add your contacts, put them in groups. Maybe you have different people in some certain niche that you want to group their contacts. This way you add them. This way you add to the campaigns that you've run. You can also create a template, type of templates. Create a bot reply, team members, total messages you have processed. So this is where you had your number. You can also, this is a demo. So mind you, it's a demo. So you can test it and see how it works. So this way you can check your WhatsApp chat and see, you can respond, can communicate. So easy. Software is so amazed and so lovely. This is a template example that you can create that you automatically send to your customers. This is where you add your contacts, your list. This is where you create your templates. This is where you set up your replies. So maybe when somebody messages you, they need to buy something from your shop, just automatic reply can reply there. So note, you can use it for anything. If you have e-commerce, if you have an e-commerce website that you have customers that come to your website or WhatsApp, you can get the software to always handle messages. If you are running out discount, you can get something for all for it also can work for you in terms of marketing use. Now, what do you need to get this done? You need to create a database. You need to upload. Once you buy the software, the script, you can install it via file manager. And if you need me to set it up for you, you can contact me via the details on the screen and I'll set it up for you ASAP. So in 48 hours to be ready. So guys, so it's easy. This is software I can use for your marketing campaign via WhatsApp. It's easy, it's fast, and it's reliable. So if you need to get this done, contact me via the details on the screen and get it done for you in 24 hours, in 48 hours. Guys, so don't forget to like this video, drop a comment if you have any question, and I'll answer to that. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye. Bye.